2005 Toyota Tacoma. Going to reset the maintenance light on this vehicle. So I'm going to turn the key to power on without turning the vehicle on. You can see the maintenance light down there in the left-hand corner. So I want to make sure that here on the dash that I have it to the odometer. So what I'm going to do is there's actually a button right here on the right-hand side, and I'm going to turn the key off. What I'm going to do now is press and hold this button here, and then I'm going to turn the key back on, and you'll see it starts flashing down there. Just hold it until it goes there, and that's how you reset the maintenance light. To verify that, turn the key off, start the car up, and the maintenance light is off. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.